Hello and welcome to Chatty Tuesday. Now, in this week's example, I'm going to be showing you how to create a HR report using ChatGPT. Remember, you can use Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, or any of your other favourite HR models. But today you can see here that the prompt I've given it is that I'm a HR professional. I've given it some context that I'm a technology startup that employs 76 people. I want it to create a comprehensive yet concise template for monthly, meaningful HR report, and I've given it some examples of the key statistics and metrics that I want it to have. I've said it should be easy to update and present in a visually appealing format. I've said that my target audience is the executive team and board members, and I've also suggested, or I've asked it for suggestions for customising options and any additional metrics that might be relevant for a fast-growing startup. I've given it the ideal length, and I've asked it to provide me with tips on how to efficiently gather and update this information. And lastly, I've asked it to give it to me in UK English spelling. So let's see what it's produced. So it's given an executive summary. It's provided a workforce overview with total headcount, employee turnover, training and development, diversity and inclusion metrics, employee engagement and well-being, and additional metrics. It's asked for performance reviews, promotion and internal mobility rates, recruitment funnel metrics, cost per hire, and it's given recommendations and an action plan. And it's also provided me with further customization options that I could provide this report. And it's given some additional tips as well to automate data collection, to maintain a centralised dashboard, to standardise time frames. So you can see here that it's given a pretty basic report. And if we want to, we can ask it to go a little bit more in depth. So I've said that I want the report to be a little bit more in depth, and I've asked ChatGPT to rewrite it. So let's see what it's given us now. You can see here that the executive summary and the strategic context actually has broken those highlights down into more valid information. And it's provided examples. It's given the workforce overview and organisational structure more in depth, and generally for each of those subject headings, it's provided more in depth. It's provided at the end of the report actionable recommendations and forward-looking strategies too. And again, it's repeated some of those tips. So you can see here that if this organisation had particular issues, we could then further refine the prompt and start delving and start creating a much better, more robust HR report. I hope you found this helpful and have a great week.